So welcome to another workshop video. This time we're going to be utilising 3M Black Super Weather Strip adhesive to install the rubber seal for the M38A1 battery box. This seal was purchased from Midwest Military in the United States, and it basically goes all the way around the perimeter. Now, I don't know how easy this is going to be, and it's probably going to be an absolute disaster, because it always happens to me that way, but we'll see. So first things first, all of this has been wiped down and cleaned. And I suppose the question you've got to ask yourself is, where do you want the seam to start? And I'm going to suggest probably in the middle, here. So let's start the process. So apparently it's a fast drying, exceptional bond, firmly bonds gaskets, weather stripping and seals, and it's water resistant. I should have read the instructions really before doing it, but as you can see here, it's clean surfaces to be bonded. A clean dry surface is key to a good bond. Apply a thin uniform coat of adhesive to each surface, but do not close bond. Allow adhesive to dry until tacky. Assemble materials with sufficient pressure to ensure contact. So I think what I've done here is go against the instructions and directly bond the material. But it seems to work in my defence. So yeah, it's definitely bonded that surface. I think I'll let it. As you can see, ignorance is bliss. I'm still ignoring the instructions. Because why not? I have to admit, it does bond really quickly, which is good. And I thought that I might have to cut going around the corners, but as you will see here, just applying some gentle pressure results in it bonding, he says, as it unbonds itself. So we'll just keep that pressure on there. Just conscious that I don't want any of this substance on the clean side, but it seems to be. There you go, look. And I'll just keep applying that gentle pressure to the corner. And the rest of this is bonded really well. Can't complain about that. So that's one side done. As you can see there. Oh, and I've had a very small disaster. Let's clear that up. Before I carry on. So I'm just going to carry on now. Try and get this bonded here to this corner. It's a finger rich environment just whilst the material bonds. So just keep applying pressure. In the corners. And as you can see there, I'll have plenty of gasket left over. I think from my point of view, I'd thoroughly recommend following the manufacturer's guidelines rather than the approach I've adopted, which is to completely ignore them and just do my own thing. Finish it there. And I'll just lay this down, pushing it right up into the corner or the edge. Making sure it's nice and tucked in there. work my way into this corner. And stick it down. And remember, it's really important that you give the bonding agent enough time. Now I'm hoping that the scissors I've got are not going to let the team down and be blunt. Nope, that's good. And then one final little patch of bonding agent, and then poke it in there. Wipe off the excess. So that's a nice neat job. And that's it done, with a little bit left over. So let's take a close-in look at everything. You can see there, it's bonded all the way around. And nice and neat. So I'd say job's a good one. So once again, that's 3M black super weather strip adhesive. Bought it off eBay for I think £12 maybe. Next day delivery, and all done. Thanks for watching. See you later.
A few moments later.
So we're going to install this newly weather stripped battery cover. I'm going to do it one-handed, which is never ideal. See if it all fits. Done. Fits. Lift it off. You can see, let's try and zoom in, where it fits around. So job's a good one. Thanks for watching another episode of the workshop. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Ta-ta.